back again with your history class. Today we will be starting a new chapter in history, that is chapter 5, different ways of life. In our previous chapter you have already learned that in Harappan civilization, when it has declined, after Harappan has declined from many other reason, different settlement has started practicing in all over India. Okay, that means different settlements that they are forming, like different cultures it has come. So if we say that around 500 years ago, after declination of Harappan civilization, the different parts of society has started coming. Okay, and that society has started coming in the north and northwestern part. Okay, so that society was known as the Vedic people. So let us start with the Vedic people. Now see, civilization of the north and northwest, that is the Vedic people. Around 1500 BC, a new era appeared to have emerged in northern and some parts of northwestern India. Got it? This age came to be known as the Vedic age. That means the civilization has came after Harappan was the Vedic age. Okay? Because most of the knowledge we have of this age and its people compose texts, they known as Vedas. That means the people who came from the Vedic, they were highly, you can say that highly have a good of knowledge. Okay, and they used to compose different texts that was known as Vedas. Okay, so what is Veda? We'll start now. Now see, if we talk about the Vedas, that means the definition of Veda, then we can say that the word Veda comes from the Sanskrit word. See, it has come from the Sanskrit word that meaning with to know. That means impart knowledge. Okay. The word Veda comes from the Sanskrit word with meaning to know. Okay. And what is the Veda? Veda has a collection of hymns. Okay, different kind of verses, you can say different mantras were there. Okay, that was composed to in praise of God. See, hymns or verses in praise of God. That means for the only benefit of the society and for the compose of different verses, they started imparting knowledge. Okay, and this you can say the hymns or verses that was mainly composed in the Sanskrit. Okay. So we can say that the Sanskrit language, okay, has started from the Vedic culture. Okay, Sanskrit around 1500 BC and 1200 BC. Now, if we talk about the different Vedas, we have 4 different Vedas. That is Rig Veda, one of the oldest Veda. Okay, it is followed with Sama Veda. Okay, you all can say Sama Veda. Then you have Yajur Veda and Atharva Veda. Okay, so these are different 4 Vedas. This 4 Vedas has its own importance. Okay, it has a different hymns, it collection of different texts, and you can say that the Vedic knowledge is also imparted with the literature. Some of the literature books we have, that is the Brahmanas, the Aryanakas, and the Upanishads. So these are the 3 Vedic literature. Along with this book, you have the 2 epics, that is Mahabharata and Ramayana. Okay, so this is about the Vedas. Now we'll start about the Vedic people. Now see, if we talk about the Vedic people, see, who were ultimately who were the Vedas or who were the Veds? Okay, see here, the Vedas are known as the Vedic people. Okay, or the Aryans. See, they were the first tribe. This one question was asked me when I was teaching you, when I was explaining you the chapter about the Neolithic and about the different farmers. There was one question that for the first tribe. Okay, then we can say that the tribe which came first, okay, in the Indian subcontinent, there were the Aryans. They were not exactly a tribe, but the descendants from the tribal people. Okay, so they were the people or the Aryans. Got it? Now Aryans means noble. Okay, in Sanskrit, and they started moving around different parts of India. See here, this timeline you can see here, 1500 BC to 1600 BC, they started spread across the world. That means from the northern to northwestern to northeastern part, they started spreading all over the India. Okay, and slowly this started spreading all over the world in this era. Got it? Now, the best thing, Okay, the best thing of these Aryan people was that they was the discover. We can say the first thing they started coming in the Aryan, or we can say in the Vedas, that is the iron and the wheel. Okay, this was started coming, and this has discovered in the time of when they were living the India. Okay. Next you have horse-drawn chariot. Okay, these two things was very important, and it says that from the Aryan only it has came out. Okay, so we can say that the early and the later Vedic period, they have some differences. We can see that, see here, look at this time. Now see here, look at this timeline, 1500 to 1000 BC. Okay, early Vedic people. Okay, and 1000 to 600 you have later Vedic people. So this something different it will be there. Like early Vedic people, what are the things that was being not similar with this? Something you might be farming, you can say that something difference can be there and some similarities can be there. Okay. Before we move on to this early and later, let us start with the political life of Vedas. Okay. Now see, political life of the Vedas people. Okay, or you can say the Aryans. They were mostly a pastoral farming people. That means it depends on they were having agriculture and also of the cattle breeding. Different type of cattle, and they were farmers. This occupation they have mostly adopted. Got it? Now, if you see this structure, look at the structure on the board. This structure talks about the different formings of your society. Now see, first they form with a kula. Kula is your family. Okay, that is the smallest unit of a society that was formed. It was known as kula, and the head was known as Grihapati. Okay, and Grihapati was being a oldest male member. From the among the family, the oldest male member was known as Grihapati. They were the head, and after them, their other family members were there. Okay, this family, after family was formed, then what happened? In the family, they lead a village. Okay, they started staying in a particular village. That village has a number of families or grama. Okay, that was known as grama, and the head was known as Brahmini. Okay, this was the village head. Okay, next after village was formed, a group of people, they started uniting. Okay, they started uniting from the ancestor. They were having the same ancestor, or they having the blood relations. That was known as clan. Clan means a group of people unitedly staying in particular area. Okay, or Vis. Okay, and they were headed by Visapati at its head. Got it? Next you have, after clan you have a jana. Jana means your, when a village are formed, you have a particular big community now, and there you need a head. That is known as headed by a Janapati or Raja. That is a king. Got it? So how this society has framed in a political life. First was family, then you have a village, then you have a clan, a group of people started staying. Then after when a village has formed in a very good manner, then they started forming a king. Okay, that is headed by a king. Got it? So this was the political life. Now in this king, now see here, this king was held by many people. That is Rajan was held by many people. First was your Senani. Senani is a military commander of the army. Got it? Next you have Purohit, is a priest who used to perform different religious things. Okay. Next you have tribal assemblies. They used to have a good assemblies. It was known as Sabha and Samiti. Okay. This assembly was mostly headed by different people, different tribal peoples, and it is only not only being run by the male, but also female was also joining this assembly. Okay, and the best thing is that when the king will die out, his son will be next to the king. And later on, what happened that not only king, but some of the elected assembly members also started ruling the, you can say ruling the tribal people. Okay, first Raja who used to appoint it, Raja's son was there, but if that Raja will not having any son, then the election was there in the assembly. From there, a good king or good Raja was being chosen. That was happened later Vedic period. Okay, so this was a political structure of your Vedas, or you can say Aryan people. In next class, we will be starting learning about the different social, your social life and economic life of